Hi friends!
Hello friends! Today we're outside with Rafa. We're taking a nature walk around a lake very close to our house, and we have a special idea we want to share with you today. So you want to tell them a little bit more about it, Rafa?
Yeah, we are going to collect things to count in nature and play a counting game with them.
Like, for example, sticks, rocks, big pieces of mulch, and dry leaves. So we are going to go now and we're going to collect those things, and we're going to see you in a little bit. Alright friends, we are back and we collected a lot of items. We got pine cones, we have rocks, we got some big pieces of mulch and even sticks. And now Rafa, can you please help us telling us where do we have more things?
Here we have more things because there are 1, 2, 3 more sticks. And here we have less things because there's 1 pine cone.
Now we're going to compare these two groups. In one group we have rocks that we collected, and in the other group we have 2 big pieces of mulch. Can you help us, Rafa?
Well, here are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rocks. So this is more than this, which is 1, 2, 2. 2 pieces of big mulch.
Now we have some pine cones on one side, and we have pieces of a very old dry branch on the other side. Let's talk about where do we have more things and where do we have less things.
Here we have more because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pine cones, and here there are less because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces of a very old branch.
In these two groups we have pine cones on one side and we have old branches on the other side. So now we're gonna see where do we have more things and where do we have less things.
Here we have more things because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pieces of sticks. And here we have less because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of pine cones.
In these two groups we have rocks on one side and we have branches on the other side. And this question can be a really tricky to answer, friends, because the rocks are much more smaller than the pieces of branch, but we still need to count how many things we truly have on each group. So Rafa, can you help us? Where do we have more things?
Here the rocks have more because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And here we have less because here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 pieces of branch.
For our last question, we have a group of rocks and we have a group of dandelions. So now let's look carefully and let's see, where do we see more things? Where do we see less things?
Here we see more things because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 rocks. And here we have less because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 dandelions.
Alright friends, thank you for playing this game with us. Now, what you can do is you can go and see what things do you have in your house that you can put in groups and think where do you have more things and where do you have less things, okay? You can use toys, you can use rocks, you can use branches, you can use little pieces of mulch, anything. Grass, anything you can find around, so you can set up a fun counting game, all right? See you next time. Bye.
Bye.